Today we'll discuss about select statement only. So as I told you,
Mm-hmm.
like it is a very, very important thing for us.
Important.
No one
Mm-hmm.
will ask you any question about this in interview, but in real day, I mean in real time work, definitely we are going to use multiple times in a day this
Right.
single command. Okay, so that's why it is very important for us. First, we'll see what is the syntax of this select statement because select is not a standalone command, right? So what are the
Mm-hmm.
important keywords are there while writing select statement
Mm-hmm.
to fetch the data?
Mm-hmm.
Select, okay, from where, okay, some important things, group by, having,
Mm-hmm.
order by.
Okay.
Okay, now what is the purpose of these things? We'll see. What is the purpose of select statement?
You fetch the data.
Yeah, whatever you want to select, that you are
Mm.
going to tell. Let me copy this for next time. Okay, what is the purpose of this select? To select the
Fetch the data. Select the data.
to select the data which we want to
Mm-hmm.
fetch
Right.
or which we want to see, whatever, or which we want to retrieve, that we are going to select here.
Mm.
Okay, I will tell you how to select and how we are selecting. And from is
Mm.
nothing but source of that data which you are selecting. Okay, so whatever the data I'm
Mm.
selecting, for example, employees table is there. Okay, so that
Mm-hmm.
employees data
Mm-hmm.
I want to select employee number, employee ID, for example. Okay, so
Right.
then from where you are selecting the data, that is what I
Mm.
am telling here, nothing but source of that data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
From
if
source
it,
of the data.
yeah, for example, now I want all purchase order information. Then
Mm.
PO header ID, okay, and some information here, whatever I'm selecting. And the source is
Mm-hmm.
nothing but from where I'm picking that PO headers all or PO lines all,
Mm.
whatever
Right.
I'll keep there. Nothing but table name
Right.
I'm keeping there. Okay, not
Correct.
only the table name here, okay, what are
Mm-hmm.
all I can keep?
Mm-hmm.
Table will write basically because our
Mm-hmm.
data majorly will be in the table. Okay, other
Mm-hmm.
than that table, what are all the things will be there? Any idea? Sorry. Okay, so other than the
Oh.
table, okay, even view
Oh.
also will be there. Okay, we'll discuss about this views and
Oh.
all later.
Yes. View.
View
Yes.
is again it's a kind of table source again, we'll see.
Right.
And
Right. Right.
synonym also we can keep. Okay,
Right.
synonym is nothing but alternative name for a table. We'll
Mm-hmm.
discuss all these things later. Now,
Yes.
main thing is table for us. Now where I'm
Hmm.
selecting some data, okay, from this table.
Correct.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
for example, purchase order information, I'm selecting from PO headers all table. Then
Mm-hmm.
I will get all the data if I just write like that. Okay, so then what I need
Mm-hmm.
actually, I don't want all the information. For example,
Mm-hmm.
related to one particular purchase order. So means I
Right.
want to keep that order ID. Okay, so
Right.
means I have to
Hmm.
filter that data. So what is the
Mm-hmm.
purpose of this? To filter the data.
Filter the data. Right.
Okay, so now
Hmm.
I'm filtering the data, that is fine. But I want my
Hmm.
data, okay, related
Mm-hmm.
to all country. Okay, otherwise I
Okay.
want to see all purchase order related to one particular customer because one customer may be purchased so many things from me.
Right.
Okay, so means so many
Hmm.
purchase orders already generated probably for him in past days.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I
Mm-hmm.
want to generate a report. Okay, I want to
Mm-hmm.
generate a
Mm-hmm.
report like whatever the purchase orders he is having now. Okay, for example, customer
Okay.
ID is 101. Now I want to
Hmm.
generate for
Mm-hmm.
101 how many purchase orders created, what is the purchase order information, like that kind of data I want to see. Means what I'm going to do, I'm going to group that data, all purchase orders
Okay.
for 101,
Group.
all purchase orders for 102 customer, like that I'm grouping the data.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise,
All
in
right.
another words, for example, I want to see
Hmm.
all the sales data, okay, for one country.
Mm-hmm.
Means I have to
Yes.
group the data country wise so that I can see
All right.
India how many sales happened, US how many sales
Mm-hmm.
happened, like that. You got it now?
All right. Right. Got it. Got it.
Okay,
That
to
time we were
grouping
using
the,
group by.
yeah, grouping the data.
Right.
Now having, I already grouped
Hmm.
the data now. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so customers wise, for example, or countries wise, uh,
Hmm.
okay, countries wise I grouped the data. Now I have all
Mm-hmm.
purchase orders information or sales count information or something, groups wise, country wise. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now I don't want to see all the data. Now it is grouped fine, but I don't want to see all the countries wise data, but I want to see whatever the countries, okay, or whichever the countries
Mm-hmm.
having at least 100
Okay.
sales, at least 100 sales should be there. Means again I'm filtering the data.
Mm.
Okay, but what I'm filtering? Filtering the groups data after grouping. Okay, after grouping
Okay.
only, now I have countries wise data, right? So after getting
Right.
the countries wise data, again I have to
Mm-hmm.
filter. I want to filter that. Okay, after grouping that,
Mm-hmm.
I want to filter like which country is having minimum 100 sales.
Right. Right.
Okay, not individual. I want to first group that data country wise, India wise, US wise, so that I'll come to know India wise how many sales happened, like 50 or 60, US like 70 or 80. Okay, UK some
Mm-hmm.
150, 120, like that. After getting that grouping data, now I will be filtering that.
Okay. Again, we have to
Y-
filter in the group data, right? Mm.
yeah, that is by using this class
Having
having. Okay,
having
what about the
clause.
where class? Where class is to filter the data only, but
Mm-hmm.
individual records. Okay, not
Correct.
grouping, individual records. You are getting my point, right? No confusion.
Yes.
It is
Yes.
again a little very important interview question. What is the difference
Mm.
between where class and having class?
Clause. Yes.
Okay, where class and having class are using for same purpose, nothing but to filter the data. Okay,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
where class is used to filter the individual records, whereas having
Mm-hmm.
class is used to filter the groups.
All right.
Okay, now we'll see all these things with the examples later. Now, last thing is
Hmm.
order by. Order by is nothing
Mm-hmm.
but name itself. It is telling you are making your data order in a order. Okay, so nothing but I am sorting the data
All right.
using this class, whether it is ascending order or descending order.
Or descending order.
Okay, and also you should remember, however I return now, select from where group by having order by. All these
Hmm.
should be in the same order. You should not write one up, one down like that. Okay, I mean, you
Okay.
can't
Okay.
write where
Mm-hmm.
class after select.
Mm-hmm.
You can't write having before group by like
Oh,
that.
yes.
You got it?
Yes. Yes.
All these should be
Yes.
like this only. Okay, if you
Right. Right.
want, you can skip one, no problem,
Mm-hmm.
meaningfully. But you can't write in a different order. So you remember select is 1, from is 2, where is 3, group by 4, having is 5, order by is 6. It should be in the same
Right.
position.
Yes. Got
Okay,
it.
right. Now we'll see the syntax, like what we already discussed, what we can write in the select class, right?
Hmm.
So what we can write,
Hmm.
we have to tell what we are going to fetch, which
All
data
right.
we are going to retrieve.
All right.
Okay,
Right.
so that may be star. Okay, star means what we'll see. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
r.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, r, this symbol is indicating r for me. Okay, star
Mm-hmm.
r. Like you can also s- select
Mm-hmm.
specific columns, column 1,
Yes.
column 2, column 3, and so on, column n.
Hmm.
Means I have 100 columns, so I can select whatever the columns of data I want here.
Right.
Otherwise you can keep star, but as of now blindly remember star means one complete row is coming. While discussing
Hmm.
with example in detail, we'll discuss what exactly is equal to star. Okay,
Right.
either
Right.
one of that you should specify, either star or selected number of columns.
Hmm.
You got it now? It should be
Got
there,
it.
one of that should be there, okay, in the select class.
Hmm.
And what else we can write in the select class? Okay, for example, I'm
Hmm.
getting so much data. Okay, so like
Mm-hmm.
kind
Hmm.
of a duplicate records or something. I want to
Hmm.
get only distinct records. Distinct means like kind of unique records. Okay, some records
Okay.
probably repeated. So I don't want to
Right.
see that repeated record here. So then
Hmm.
I am not deleting or doing something. While seeing that data, I don't want to see that repeated record. So then to see that unique records, distinct record, I'm using this keyword distinct. We'll discuss with
Right.
example later. Okay,
Hmm.
and I am keeping this distinct in these braces in the syntax.
Right.
Okay, wherever you will see anywhere in the syntax or something,
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this braces, rectangular braces indicates that is optional.
Mm-hmm.
You may or may not use, depends on the requirement. You may or may not use this
Mm-hmm.
keyword. You got it?
Okay.
Okay, and this flower brackets indicates like you can take any of this.
All
This
right.
symbol
Right.
is R for me. Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
and after that we'll discuss about another thing. Okay, that is alias.
Right.
Alias name. Okay,
Alias.
alias name is nothing but I'm giving a alternate meaningful name for my
Mm,
columns while
columns.
fetching the data in, to see in the report. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that what I'm going to do in the select class. Minimum basic thing what we can
Mm-hmm.
write. Now
Right.
we already discussed what we can write in the from class. We have to tell the source of the data from where I'm
Right.
going to fetch the data. Nothing but
Right.
table. How many tables I
Table
can
names.
write? I can write
Mm-hmm.
table 1, table 2, like that. I can write n number of things. Okay, of course, not only that, view 1, view 2, a number of things I can write, depends on my
Mm-hmm.
requirement. Okay, of course, synonym is nothing. Okay, synonym is nothing but alternative name for table.
All right.
Okay, we'll discuss later. That has a different concept. Now, where I'm getting all the data, but I want to filter.
Mm-hmm.
So then we are going for where class. So how you will filter generally? For example, country wise means where country is equal to India.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, means first column or expression 1 is equal to expression 2 kind of thing we are writing, right?
Okay.
So here it is nothing but equal to is nothing but one comparison operator I'm using to match.
Okay.
Okay, it's not
Huh.
mandatory to use only equal to operator here. Okay, you can use
Mm-hmm.
anything.
Okay.
Okay, any relational operator. Okay, relational operator means anything equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, whatever it is required.
Whatever we, yes,
Yeah,
yes, in where
depends on your
clause
requirement, you can use. So
requirement.
that's why I just kept here R. You got it?
Hmm.
Expression 1, relational operator, expression 2.
Operator express two.
Okay,
Correct.
example I'm telling here. Okay, example is what?
Is equal.
You can write
Is
country,
country.
CONTRY, country is equal to
Hmm.
India, like
India.
this.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
this equal to is relational operator here. Fine. Now group
Yes.
by. Group by is same. What is the purpose? Grouping the data. So on
Data.
which column we are grouping? For example, I am grouping by country. So means you have to tell the column name on what column you are grouping the data.
Group
It's
by
not
column.
it's not mandatory to write only one column here. Depends on the your
Hmm.
requirement. You can specify n number of columns. Okay,
Yes.
understand? Means group by
Yes.
country, comma state. Group by India, comma Maharashtra. You got
All
it?
right.
Okay,
Right.
country,
Right.
comma state also you can do. Country, comma
Hmm.
state, comma district also you can do. Depends on your
Hmm.
requirement. You can write n number of columns to group the data.
Hmm.
Now having is same, similar. Okay, what exactly it is similar? Means related to this. Having and
Right.
where both are similar, but the purpose is different. Where is used to
Hmm.
restrict or filter individual records. Having is used
Hmm.
to filter groups. After grouping the
Right.
data, I'll be filtering the groups. Okay, for example,
Hmm.
now I want to count the how many people are there in each village, each town, each district. Now I counted. Okay,
Right.
counted people. Okay, now in the people survey, I counted all the people. Now I want to see which
Hmm.
district is having at
Hmm.
least 1 lakh people. So then what I
Okay.
can do? First, I have to group the data, group by
Right.
India, or sorry, group by country,
Hmm.
state, district.
Hmm.
So then you will get the
Correct.
data country wise grouping. After that, grouping with state wise. After that, grouping with district wise. After getting this data, I'll write having count of
Hmm.
or whatever that operation we are doing, that count of district are more than or equal to 1 lakh. You are getting my
Right.
point? Yeah.
Quite it.
Okay. For example, what I'm telling here, example for this is,
Hmm.
okay, count of PEOPLE, count of people. After grouping the data, I'm just checking how many people are there, more than or equal to 1 lakh. You got it?
Got it.
Like this to do this. And order by is nothing but to sort the data. Okay. Here
Mm-hmm.
you can write order by column name.
Hmm.
Sorry. Order by column name. On what column you have to sort the data. And again here,
Yes.
it is
Mm-hmm.
not mandatory to write only one column. You can write a number of columns on what basis you want to sort the data. Instead of column name, also you can write column position. Means if I have 100
Mm-hmm.
columns, you can just tell first column, second column like that. Means number 1, 2, 3, 4 like that also you can write. We'll discuss the
Okay.
example later.
Hmm.
And finally,
Mm-hmm.
so like what you can write here, which order actually you want,
Descending. Yes.
ascending order
Descending. Or
or
descending order.
descending order. Okay. Also, there is one more option here, nulls first.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, nulls last.
Okay.
Okay, we'll discuss this later. Okay, if you are
Mm-hmm.
getting null values, okay, on the top or down, and if you want to get them in the first or last, you can use this additional
Hmm.
option, nulls first or last, but this is not mandatory to use every time. Depends on the requirement you can use.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, fine. Okay, remaining all are mandatory. You have to use. Okay, now we'll see with one by one things. Okay, today we'll be
Mm-hmm.
discussing select from. Okay, and where if possible, and remaining we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, because it is very big thing. Now
Mm-hmm.
we'll go to select statement and we'll see there are so many things we have to discuss, like what is distinct, what is column name, what is star, what is the alias name first. Okay,
Correct.
so
Correct.
we'll see
Correct.
first that now. So we know already there is a table employee. Okay, so as of
Mm-hmm.
now I'm just keeping a symbol star. Okay, we'll see what is
Mm-hmm.
exactly equal to star, and I'm writing
Yes.
emp table name. I'm
Yes.
copying it and going there to SQL developer. Let me clear all these things. Fine. Now I'm executing it. Okay. Let me refresh this connection. Okay. So I'm getting all the
Mm-hmm.
data, right? Totally
Correct.
21 records are there. You can do this.
Mm-hmm.
Place the cursor there, right click, count rows. You
Mm-hmm.
can see 21 rows are there. Even it is showing here all rows fetched 21 in the time. Okay. So now finally, so we are getting the data 21 records. Now what is mean by star
Mm-hmm.
is equal to all rows.
Yes.
Okay. So here we have to remember one thing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
While discussing about the select, the point here is, so what actually select will do by default.
Okay. By default.
Okay. By default,
Selecting all the.
select statement will return total records.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm telling about the select statement, not about the
Yes.
star,
Yes.
not about
Okay.
the star. Okay. By default,
Mm-hmm.
select statement will return total
Mm-hmm.
records. Whatever is there in your table, that many. If I have 1 lakh, 1 lakh will be written. If I have 1 million, 1 million will be written. You're getting?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Get it.
total records will be written. That is not because of
Mm.
star. Then what is equal to star? Okay.
Okay.
Star is equal to, okay, star is called it's a projection operator. The meaning is projection
Projection
operator.
operator.
Okay. What is the
Mm-hmm.
use of this projection operator or star? If you
Mm.
are using this star, means
Mm.
it will get one complete
Mm.
record, one full record is equal to
Mm.
one complete record.
Okay.
Okay, one complete record means, like for example, I have 100 columns in a table,
Mm.
so that you will get a information with all that 100 columns.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I am not getting, I mean, I am not splitting. I mean, I'm not taking a choice of my own columns here, right? So by default,
Right.
if you want to get the complete record, total record, okay, the
Mm.
full information I can say. Okay, full
Okay.
information if you want, then you can go for star. Okay,
Mm.
means remember star is equal to just one complete record, one complete record. That's it. Okay, not all the
One complete.
records. Yeah,
One
not all the
complete record.
records. Yeah,
Okay.
not all the records. Select statement by default will return all the records. but I'm using
Mm-hmm.
star, so I'll get one complete record.
One
Now,
complete record means entire table records we can say.
no, this is one
Hmm.
complete record.
Okay.
I will tell you with another example
Hmm.
so you will understand.
Hmm.
Now, for example, there are some columns. So I'm selecting
Hmm.
specific columns. That is also possible right here. You can take
Hmm.
star or column one, column two like that. Now I'm taking
Hmm.
these three columns, for example. Now,
Correct.
how many
Correct.
records I'll
Correct.
get?
Three records.
Three records. How many records I
Three
will
all
get?
records.
No,
Uh,
you are
one,
getting
two,
confusion.
three
These are
columns record.
columns. These are
Yes.
columns. No,
Yes.
you're getting confusion. These are columns. I'm talking about the
Hmm.
records. What is row? What is column here?
Mhm.
Column means how it will look like?
Uh, em- mhm.
Vertical line or horizontal line? Column means
Vertical.
vertical, right? Okay. So
Hmm.
means these are the columns. This is vertical.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Horizontal is row. So I'm talking about the
Okay.
rows. How many rows it will come now? It will give now.
Okay.
Let's see how many will come. How many are coming? 21.
21.
Means all the
Okay.
rows are coming. All the rows are coming. By default, select
Oh,
statement will return all the rows. Okay. But I
okay.
selected
Okay.
only three columns, employee number, employee name, salary. So three columns. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm seeing only three columns of information here. It's not a full record. Is it a full record of employee?
No.
It's a partial information. I selected only
Well,
three columns. So I can see only three columns of information here. Okay. If
mm-hmm.
you want, you can write all the column names here and I can get it. No problem. Okay. But
Mm-hmm.
star is nothing but there is no splitting kind of option. Okay. You will get full
Okay.
record. You are
Right.
getting my
Right.
point here. What is star and what is meant by all the
Yes.
records?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Fine. Now we'll see another thing here. You can see there is a sal, right? What is meant by
Hmm.
sal?
Salary.
Okay. But I don't want to see it as a SAL. I want to keep
Mm-hmm.
a full name here, salary.
Mm-hmm.
Means if you want to update here sal as a salary permanently to that
Mm-hmm.
EMP table structure, then you have to do alter. Okay, so you have to practice. You have to start practice Miles so that you will remember the commands. Like otherwise,
Correct.
you will
Correct.
forget. Okay, if you want to modify the sal as salary
Yes.
permanently
Yes.
in the structure itself in the EMP table structure,
Mm-hmm.
then you have to go for DDL commands.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to
Yes.
do anything changes to the structure. But while
Mm-hmm.
displaying the report here, I want to see salary.
Mm-hmm.
So then
Okay.
simple thing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give alias name to this as a
Oh,
salary.
right.
Okay. What I'm doing, sal as salary. I'm writing.
Correct.
Now sal
Correct.
is the original column name. Salary is the alias name to that.
Alias
Means
name. Correct.
alternative name to that. Simply to say
Mm-hmm.
nickname to that. Okay, nickname is
Yes.
always a temporary name. Okay, always
Mm-hmm.
a temporary name.
Temporary
And
name.
yeah, original name is will be the different thing. So I'm executing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now you can see sal
Yes.
became a salary.
Mm,
Okay, go and
correct.
check what
Correct.
is the employee table structure here. Let's see
Mm,
any changes to this. Where is salary? Sixth column you can see.
mm.
Any changes to that?
No.
Okay, so I am not changing the column name here. I am not renaming the column name. Okay, so while displaying
Mm,
the output, I mean while fetching the output, I am giving a alternative name to that. Why? For increasing my readability.
right.
You got it? What is
Got
alias
it.
name? Okay, alias name is nothing but the
It's
alternative name.
temp
Yeah,
nickname. Right.
yeah. Now, I won't use this as keyword.
Mm,
Then any problem to this? No problem. Okay, as keyword is the optional to increase the readability
mm,
so that people will understand sal as salary. While reading sal as salary means sal became as salary, people will understand. Okay,
mm.
and here I'm not giving as keyword, but that is fine. Still salary is coming. Okay, so
Correct.
automatically Oracle will understand. First word is the original column name. Second word is the alias name.
Alias name.
Got it?
Got
And
it.
so means now onwards, remember only two words you can write maximum here. One is original name, one is alias name. You can't
Alias name.
write, you can't write one more. For
Mm-hmm.
example, one more I'm writing, sorry, not comma. So I want to write here salary,
Mm-hmm.
something I'll write ABC or something EMP. Yes, something. Okay,
Mm.
I written three words there now. It will throw error. See, from
Okay.
keyword not found where expected.
Okay.
Means you can write only two words. One is the column name. So here and all column names are there. That is fine. If you want, you can
Mm.
write one more extra thing for everything. For employee number, you can write one extra word. Nothing but the alias name. Only two words should be there in between of commas. You got it?
Got it.
Okay. Now, for example, one more thing. I want to write employee name. For e-name column, I am writing employee name. So
Name.
what will happen now? Read it and tell me.
From keyword not followed where
No,
expected.
no, this is not your output. Okay, leave that.
Mm.
So what will
Mm-hmm.
happen if I execute this query? Not yet executed. Read it.
Select star
One.
from EMP number, employee name.
Where is star here?
Okay, E name. No, no. Select EMP
Mm,
number,
mm,
E name as an employee
mm,
name,
mm,
sal as a salary from
mm.
EMP.
Okay. Any? Is it okay or anything need to change?
Mm,
I just now told
is it?
you
Mm-hmm.
there will be there should be only two words in between. Okay, for e name you can write employee name, fine. Okay, but employee
Mm-hmm.
is separate, name is separate, means how many words are there now? Three words are
Two,
there.
three,
Three.
three. Right, right.
Okay,
Three,
one
three.
is
E
original
name.
name and this one.
Mm,
Three words total,
all.
it won't accept. Okay,
Correct,
so
correct.
what you have to do, if you want to get it
Mm-hmm. We have
as
to
a
remove
employee name,
name.
you have to
Mm-hmm.
keep like this underscore or something.
Hmm.
Okay, so this is fine.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now employee underscore name came.
Correct, correct.
Fine.
Fine.
So you can't write like this. That's what I told you. Okay, it should be
Yes, yes.
like this. Only two words should be there. Fine. Now, if you observe there, how alias name is
Mm.
printing, you can see how
Hmm.
alias name is printing here. I written all R in small letters, employee name,
Hmm.
salary, right? But here how it is displaying capital letters.
Capital letter.
Okay, I don't want that. However, I'm writing same case as it is, it has to be printed. So then default alias name will be printed in which case? Default
Default. Mm-hmm.
alias name case is uppercase. By default, uppercase only will be printed. If you want as it is, then what you have to do? Keep them in double quotes.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now I'm going only for double quotes with the salary. Let's see how salary is going to be printed. You can see the previous output, it is in uppercase. Now I'm going to
Right.
execute this again. Salary became in now
Yes.
small letters.
Small letter.
Okay. Also, you can do one thing here. What is that? Here, it was an error if I remove this,
Right.
right? Because three words are coming. But
Correct.
still, I don't want to put underscore over there. So what
Mm.
can I do? So then
Hmm.
also you can go for this double
Double
quotes.
noted.
Keep that in double quotes so that it will be printed as it is. So double quotes means it is going to be printed as it is. That's it. Okay.
Right.
However, it is there, same way it will be printed. Now also there are three words of course, but you are keeping these
Hmm.
two words employee space name in double quotes, which means employee space is name will be considered
Mm-hmm.
as one word because that is in double
Right.
quotes. Okay.
Right.
Now I'm executing, you can see as it is printed employee space name that too in the small letters. means
Right.
however it is there, same thing will be printed as it is here.
Right.
You got it? Any confusion till
Got
now?
it. No.
Okay. So that is about the select class. Okay. Now,
Hmm.
for example, there are some duplicate records. Okay. Let's see if there is any duplicate data here.
Yes.
No duplicate data. All are different, right? Let's do one thing. Okay. I will
Hmm.
be inserting some duplicate data into these three columns instead of inserting into all the columns. Insert into
Okay.
employee tables. So if you are passing the values to specific columns, you should specify the column names. Okay. Don't forget.
Yes. Yes.
So I'm
Yesterday we
passing.
have discussed.
Yeah. So I'm passing values to only these three columns.
Maybe.
So I specified
Yes.
employee number is for example 101. Okay, just to
Mm-hmm.
avoid the confusion, I'm going directly with the 501. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and the name is let me keep your name only again today, Nilesh,
Mm-hmm.
and the salary is some 3000. Okay, fine. One record this is I'm inserting. Inserted. One more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. Five times I inserted. Right now, let's see the
Right.
data. What is there now?
Hmm.
You can use alias name, no problem. That is just for my readability. How many records are there now?
Hmm.
Before 21, now it became 26. Okay.
26.
And you
Hmm.
can see now how many times Nilesh came here. One, two,
Hmm.
three, four, five. Right? Now what I want to do, this is duplicate data for sure, right? Repeated
Yes.
data.
Yes.
You can
Correct.
remove that. You can delete that duplicate data and all if required.
Hmm.
But I
Hmm.
don't want to do that. That is not my job
Hmm.
right now. But while
Hmm.
displaying the data in my report,
Hmm.
I don't want to see that duplicate data. That's it.
Hmm.
Okay. I want to see only unique record. So then
Unique
what you can do?
records.
You can do simply,
Distinct.
you can use distinct. DIS.
Distinct.
Yeah. Distinct keyword you can use. So it will
Hmm.
restrict all the duplicate records while retrieving the data. Okay,
Right.
now I'm going to execute it. Let's see. I should see only 22 instead of 26. Only 22 will come. Okay, so 22 means Nilesh will come
Correct.
only for one time now instead
One
of
times.
five times. See, only one
Fine
time is
times.
coming. Which it means that duplicate data
Mm-hmm.
deleted.
No.
No, it is there. You can see again 26 came
Oh.
here. All there. Okay, when I am using distinct, it is just
Hmm.
restricting the duplicate data while retrieving.
Okay.
Is it fine?
Right. Right.
Any confusion?
Fine.
And
No.
it is not like we can use only along with the column names. Okay, you
Hmm.
can use
Hmm.
with
Hmm.
a star also. Select star from EMP, right? So you can use
Hmm.
along with this. Okay, wherever you want to restrict the duplicate data while retrieving, you can use it. That's it. Okay, see, same 22
Yes.
records are coming out. Clear, right? Till now?
Correct. Correct.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
So,
Any confusion till here?
this
Yeah.
yes, this things means now you are going to tell that Nilish salary is 30, 30, 30. Okay.
Mm,
If
mm.
wrongly update someone 35, 32, and 30 with
Okay, so
same.
duplicate
So,
data means whatever
hmm,
you are selecting, that
hmm,
selecting data, if it is
hmm,
repeating, then that will be considered as a duplicate.
duplicate.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. So
Got it.
this session is going to be ended in 1 minute. Okay, and we'll
Hmm.
continue with the remaining classes also tomorrow because that is a big
Okay.
thing.
Okay.
Okay, big
Hmm.
thing.
Hmm.
Break will be not good. Okay, remaining are group
Hmm.
by, having, order by. That we'll discuss in the next class. And make sure you are
Yes.
practicing at least today class.
Yes. Ha
Okay.
ha ha ha.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
And can you just send me that video? Okay, so I will
I'll
practice
send you.
immediately.
I'll send you. Yeah.
I have, sir. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Yeah.
And
Bye.
how you are going to send me? I will ping you on WhatsApp. No issue.
Yeah. Ping me in WhatsApp. I'll send you this. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello.